how to make bed in Infinite Craft. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning on how we can make a bed in Infinite Craft. So without any further ado and without any delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to make bed in Infinite Craft, you simply have to follow my steps. So once we're here, we're going to combine a couple of elements to finally form and create a bed. First being earth and wind, which will give us dust. Then earth and water, which will give us plant. Then dust and plant to create a pollen. Pollen and wind to create an allergy. Allergy plus plant to create a hay fever. Hay fever plus hay fever combine and it will create a hay. Then we're going to add fire and water like this to create a steam. Then we're going to add steam and fire together. So we're going to add fire to steam, which will create an engine. Then engine and dust together to form a vacuum. Vacuum and dust again to make a clean. Then we're going to add hay and clean to create finally the bed. This way we can create a bed in Infinite Craft. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.